Welcome to Real Tricks. Here you can see a controller that is ATX 550 watt. This controller has one problem. The problem is display was shown 8888. The display was hang problem, I think, but lastly I realized that it was not display panel problem. Here you can see this is other display, other controller. This is one of other controller of same model that I will show what voltage gives which point. This is faulty controller that I have seen firstly. I already open the transistor and one resistor. I will show you. This is transistor I have already opened by soldering iron. I have already desoldered this short transistor and burn resistor. I will show you. This is faulty transistor. It is AT79 something in focus. This is short transistor that I have already opened, and this is burn resistor. You can see that I will open after it was installed. Here you can see an adapter of laptop charger. It was faulty adapter and I use 33 ohm resistor from this adapter. This was the 33 ohm resistor that I have already opened from this laptop charger, you can see, and I will install in this board, and after installing I will check you what is the problem. After installing this resistor I will check the ohmic value of this resistor. That will be something 33 ohms and SMD code is 330 and its ohmic value is 33. You can see it was so small that I cannot hold these probes properly, so value fluctuating. This is actual value is 33. So it's okay. Okay register I will install in this section, and after installing I will show you. You can see I have already connected a black probe in the ground pin, and I will show you the all voltages in this pin that will connect the 7-segment LED panel, and after that I will check in this OK, and firstly I will show you the proper voltage what will give the OK board in this pin, and after that I will show you that faulty board, that you can realize what will be the problem in this board. So this is OK board, and I will check step by step pin, that is ground and VCC pin, that is 4 volt 5 volt, that is okay. And after that next pin, after next pin you can see the voltage step by step. this pin was, you can see, count third number pin, 2.3 2.2 volts. This is OK controller, and this is pulsating. This is pulsating pin. Here the microcontroller gives pulsating signal in this pin that I will show you in the multimeter, so that you can realize that what pin will be the proper voltages. This is Viper IC 22H that I will show you the voltages in pin step by step. This is dangerous, so don't try this at home. This was DC 332 volts. This was so dangerous. I show you this voltage that have I already connected in my series board, and after that I show this Viper section was okay, and lastly I will show you the pulsating signal from this Viper IC. It is good. This is faulty. Here you can see this is OK board and error 4. And this is faulty board, and I will show you the voltage in this board, so that you can realize in previous board voltage output pin, and you can see what will be the problem in faulty. This is faulty board, and you can see VCC pin and ground pin was connected in the board, and there was no voltage found. And after this pin was, and after this was showing no voltages, 0.2 0.3, and this will be pulsating. Second pin will be pulsating for 3 to 1, but it was 1 and 0.2 volt. That is the section. You can realize what will be the problem. I think this was the microcontroller problem. Microcontroller was fault, so that proper signal it was not. I think it was microcontroller problem. What will you think? Give your proposal in the comment box. I find this microcontroller in local market, but I did not find. This is OK board, and again I will check and show you the voltage in this pin, so that you will confirm that what will be this problem. This is faulty board, and this is OK board, and again I will show you the voltages in this pin out. In multimeter you can see first pin voltage output 5 volt, 4.2 5 volt, it's okay. And next pin you can see in multimeter, next pin voltage in OK controller. And lastly you can observe this third number pin, that is pulsating signal was output. This is third number pin. You can see the pulsating 1 2 3 4 pulsating voltage was shown, so it is perfect board. So I use the LED panel of dead board in this OK board, and you can see I have connect in series wire and power on this section, and you can see the rotation of this motor. And I will start the motor, and if properly run, it runs finely, and series bulb was blown. So it was OK controller, and the dead controller was problem is microcontroller. So that's, you can see that is in today's video. Thanks for watching.